Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve question number 2 of exercise 1.1 from chapter 1, which is integers. Okay, so what is question number 2? In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer. Means if your answer is correct, they will give some positive number, and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. So if your answer is wrong, so they will give negative marks. Okay, if Jack's score in 5 successive round were 25 minus 5 minus 10 15 and 10, so what was his total at the end? Means he gave correct answer, here he gave wrong answer, here also he gave wrong answer, here he gave correct answer, here he gave correct answer. That is why he got positive if it is correct, and he got negative if it is wrong. Now he is asking what was his total at the end. So how we are calculating total? So like we have 1, 5, 2. So how we are calculating? We are just adding all that value. Correct? Means 1 plus 5 plus 2, like that. Correct? So here also how we will calculate? We will add all the value. Like 25 plus, we will write minus in bracket every time, so it will be easy to solve. Again plus, here also minus 10, so we will put bracket for minus 10. Okay, plus 15 and then plus 10. Okay, now 25 plus minus minus. I already explained this formula in my last video, like plus and minus will become minus. Okay, so plus minus is minus 5. Again plus minus minus 10, plus as it is 15 and plus 15. Okay, now how to solve this? If no sign is here, that means it is plus. So all plus taken together means this and this two. So 25 plus 15 plus 10, and all minus in one place, minus 5 minus 10. Okay, now 25 plus 15 plus 10, 0, 40, 50, sorry. This is 50. And now minus minus will become plus. So we have to add these two numbers. Hence 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay, again minus minus is plus, so we have to add these two numbers. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Now which sign? Which is greater? 10 is greater or 5 is greater? So 10 is greater. What is the sign of 10? Minus. So here we will put minus. Okay, so now 50 minus 15, 35. So total he got 35 marks or points. Hope it's clear for you. Okay, now question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 on Monday. So Monday Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degree Celsius, and then it dropped by 2 degree on Tuesday. Dropped means what? Like the temperature is 7 and it dropped means it will become 5. Means 7 minus 2 is 5. Dropped means it 2 is less than current temperature. Correct? So here also it dropped 2 degree on Tuesday. So what will be the temperature on Tuesday? First it was minus 5 and then dropped means we have to use minus 2. Correct? Because 2 degree it dropped. So minus 5 minus 2 means what? Again minus minus plus. So we have to add this two number. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now which number is greater? 5 is greater. Symbol of 5 is minus. So this is minus 7. So on Tuesday the temperature is minus 7 degree. Okay. Now What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? It's -7. On Wednesday, it rose by 4%, 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means it go up. Means we have to add +4. What was the temperature on Tuesday? So Tuesday temperature we will add +4 because it rose by 4 degree on Wednesday. So what was the temperature on Tuesday? -7. And then we have to add +4 because it rose by 4 degree. So -7 +4. Now plus minus minus. So we have to subtract or use minus between 7 and 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Now which number is greater? 7 is greater. What is the symbol of 7? Minus. Again I will explain you. Plus minus minus. So we have to do minus between 7 and 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Which number is greater? 7 is greater. What is the symbol of 7? Minus. So this is minus. So the temperature on Wednesday is -3. The same thing he is asking, what was the temperature on this day? So on Wednesday it is -3. And on Tuesday it is -7. Hope it's clear for you. Okay. Now question number 4. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000. Even picture is also given. There is one plane. It is flying 5,000 meter above the sea level. This is sea level. Okay. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine. Here is like plane. So somewhere submarine floating 1,200 meter below the sea level. Means this is sea level. So below means down. 1,200 meter, and here this is submarine. Okay. So this is the picture. Even this is also given. What is the vertical distance between them? Distance between plane and submarine. Means we have to calculate this distance. So how to calculate this distance? This plus this. Right? So the plane distance from sea level plus submarine distance from sea level. Correct? So to find the distance, what we have to do? This plus this. Correct? So the distance between plane and submarine is 5,000, and distance between submarine and sea level is 1,200. So the answer is 6200 meter. Okay, so the vertical distance between them is 6,200 meter. Okay, now question number 5. Mohan deposits 2,000 in his bank. Deposit means what? Like if we are going in a bank and we are giving some money to the person, just deposit that money in my account. Means you have to save that money in my account. That is called deposit. Means that value, that amount will come in my account. So that is deposit. So deposit amount is 2,000 meter. Okay. Now and withdraws 1,642. 1,642. This is rupees. What is withdraw? Withdraw means we are taking some money from my account. Like we are going to ATM machine and we are taking some amount from my account. That is called withdraw. Means we are withdrawing that amount from my account. So this is what? Deposits, and W is for withdraw. You can write all words, deposits, and here withdraws. Okay. Now, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer. For withdraw, we are using generally positive because we are taking out that money from our account, and for deposit we are using plus. Okay, because we are saving that money in my account, okay, or in our account. So this is for negative number. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? We are using positive plus sign for deposits. Okay, now this is the answer for first part. How will you represent the amount deposited? So with the plus sign. Okay, find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So balance equals to what? First it was 2000, so means 2000 he deposited, and then so this is plus, and what he withdraw means minus 1642. So 2000 minus 1642, that means 8, 5 and 3, 358 rupees. Now the balance in his account. Got it? Hope it's clear for you. If you have any doubt in this question, please write your comment in the comment section. Also, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.